In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change payment method in Facebook. So open Facebook, and then over here, click on the bottom right where it says menu. Scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Scroll down again, and then click on orders and payments. Then click on MetaPay at the top. And then over here, you can close this. So if you didn't see that page and you landed here, just scroll down and then click on MetaPay. And this is where we were, just in case you weren't here before. I showed you how to get there. And then click on manage. And then over here you can add a payment method. Just click add payment method and you'll see the methods. And if you already have a payment method, it should appear here and you should be able to change it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.